Hi, I'm Duncan, Head of Production at Selectaglaze, and I'm here to take you on a behind-the-scenes tour of our manufacturing process. There are 5 basic styles of secondary glazing: horizontal sliding, vertical sliding, casement, lift out and fixed. But because one size, style or colour definitely doesn't fit all, we manufacture 21 different product ranges with literally thousands of customisable options to choose from. It all begins when the components arrive at our factory, where they're all quality checked. These are primarily aluminium and glass. Our aluminium extrusions are all designed in-house, and we store these vertically for easy picking. We receive our glass cut to size, and that minimises waste. All of our systems are available in our standard white, but of course we can also provide a variety of other finishes, like the full rail polyester powder coat range, wood grain and anodised finishes. We follow a lean, on-time process so that each project is managed and scheduled for manufacture via our production control screens. The relevant materials are cut to size, prepared via one of our CNC machines, and then completed by hand. After the frame components are prepared, the sections are assembled in one of our dedicated assembly areas. To help with production of our larger and heavier units, our team use a beam crane and vacuum hoist to help handle and manoeuvre these units during assembly. The more specialist curved and shaped units also have their own dedicated assembly area. Our surveyors laser measure these units so the design team of production engineers can create accurate CAD templates for the shapes to be manufactured. Most of our aluminium profiles are radius in-house, so we can control and manage the assembly and the quality. Window reveals are rarely square, so to achieve a precisely crafted installation and avoid ugly trims and excessive sealant, we create specially machined timber grounds and frames. After the timber is cut, shaped and assembled, it's sprayed in our spray booth to match the colour of the units. Sustainability is hugely important to us, so looking at our components, 30% of our aluminium and 35% of our glass comes from recycled materials. All of our timber is certified FSC, and we take great care to optimise our cutting to minimise waste. Finally, once everything is manufactured, the units and timber are protected and loaded out ready for installation by our own dedicated teams. But that's another story.